Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4, how are you? Today we are going to study unit 2 lesson 3 reading Earthwatch. Mr. Bate publishes a magazine about conservation called Earthwatch. Here are two articles from this month's magazine. So look at these pictures and make a guess what are these articles about. What we are going to study in these articles. Can you see these are two men? I think they are bringing some kind of water pots. This woman is feeding a little monkey. This woman is looking for monkeys. Can you see that? Article number 1, they are just like us. It's written by Ellen. Ellen says, my husband and I both love apes. My husband works for a national park in Africa and his job to protect all the animals in the park. I am studying apes called bonobos. They are very human-like, cute and funny. Apes have to face big problems all over Africa. Humans have destroyed much of the forest where they live. They have built roads into the forest too. They cut down the trees and take away the timber on big trucks. Ape hunters travel into the forest on the same roads to kill the apes and sell the meat in the market. Teach, a baby ape lost his mother, so I am bottle feeding him. We are keeping about 7 baby bonobos at the ape center in the middle of the forest. All their mothers are dead. When Titch is bigger, he can go and live with the group of the apes in the forest here. So Ellen says she and her husband taking care of the apes. Humans destroy much of the forest. That's why apes are in danger now. Apes means monkey, type of monkey. You can see that it's a little baby ape. Apes are the very interesting. They are like humans. They have very kind and they can understand human behavior as much as humans understand too. Ellen says humans travel on the road and come to the forest and cut down the trees and kill the apes and sell their meat in the market. How bad it is to kill the wild animals. So children, let's move to the article number 2. The article number 2 is turning on the tap. I am an engineer and I live in Ethiopia. We are putting a new water pipe to carry water from a spring in the hills to a village. When it is finished, the pipe will be 11 kilometers long. At the moment, the villagers have to walk 11 kilometers into the hills each day to collect water and then carry it back to the village in pots on their heads. Water Aid in Britain gave us some money for the pipeline. The villagers are doing all the hard work themselves. They are digging long trenches in other places. They are building banks to hold up the pipe in a few places. We have to cut through the rock. In the end, where will be drinking water in the village? There will be drinking water in the village. If the villagers don't waste any water, there will be enough to grow fruit and vegetables too. They are really looking forward to TTD, Tapton on the Oxum. This article is written by Oxum, who is talking about. So he is talking about the village in Africa where they don't have facility of drinking water, pure water, and they walk 11 kilometers daily to bring waters on their heads and carry the water to their village. Because there is no water for poor villagers for drinking, for growing vegetables, for growing some crops. As you know that water is the basic need of life. We need water because we All living things cannot survive without water. Dear students, here is exercise number 3. Match the numbers from the text with these pictures. Here is in article 1, there are sentences given with numbers like 2, 5 to kill the apes. Look at the sentence number 1. They have built roads into the forest too. Now look at the pictures. Can you see that this picture is matched with sentence number 1 and I have written number 1 in the corner of this picture. Now match all these pictures with article number 1 sentences like I did. Okay? Read the text again and find sentences related with these pictures. Come to the sentence number 2 and match with picture. They cut down the trees. Here they are cutting down the trees and I have written number 2 here. Just like this we have to complete all the exercise. Now these pictures are about article number 2. Read the article again and you will see italics writing in the articles like spring, building banks, okay? And match the italic writings with these pictures and write down on your copies. Look at the example I have written this exercise like that. You have to write on your copies like this. A is matching with the picture, this picture. This picture A is matching with these sentences. Building banks to hold up the pipe. You can see the sentence is in the article 2. Can you find the sentences? Building banks to hold up the pipe. Here is the sentence. So picture A is matched with the sentence building banks. You have to write the sentence along with picture A in your copies. Now the exercise number 5 is what do you think? Should we or shouldn't we? Here are some sentences. Cut down or plant trees. What should we do? Should we cut down the trees or should plant the trees? Here is be given with example. Sentence A is then like we should plant trees and yes, I agree we shouldn't cut them down. We have to make these sentences like a conversation. Make the sentence a conversation between two people and write this like we should plant trees. Yes, I agree. We shouldn't cut them down. Here are two parts of the sentence. We should plant trees. You have to see a positive thing and put should after that sentence. Should plant tree. Before plant trees, you have to put should. We should plant trees and other person will say yes, I agree. We shouldn't cut them down. Okay. Sentence B is kill or protect wild animals. Now how will we do that? Look, I did this. We shouldn't kill wild animals. Yes, I agree. We should protect the wild animals. So children, you have to make sentences like that. You have to make these sentences in a conversation. You have to give shape of conversation. Now we will see exercise number 2. I have skipped this because I am going to give this exercise in homework. There are questions given. These questions are about text 1, means article 1, and these questions are about text 2, means article 2. You have to read both of articles carefully and find out the answers of these questions. I am going to solve question number 1 for example. Question number 1 is, why do you think Ellen and her husband live in the forest? The answer is, Ellen studies apes and her husband protect them. They both love apes. I have find out the answer from the text 1. And text 2 is, number 1 question is, where will the water for the village come from? So the answer is, the water comes from a spring in the hills. I have find out the answers from both of these texts. You have to read the text carefully and find out the answers, and you have to write these answers in your copies, and I will check your homework. And also complete the picture matching activities as I give you instructions about. Okay.